Stop wasting time with stuttering streams. Here's how to fix Apple TV plus 4K buffering in 3 simple stages. Before we start, note that these steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. Always avoid unofficial third-party recovery services. Apple TV Plus prioritizes high fidelity, requiring a sustained 25 megabits per second. Even small network fluctuations can cause constant buffering. Step 1. Update your software. Go to Settings, then navigate down to the System menu to check for available updates. Outdated app versions or OS builds often have bugs in their adaptive bitrate logic. Ensuring you are current is the first line of defense. Step 2. The power cycle. Unplug your modem, router, and Apple TV device from power for 3 full minutes to refresh your IP assignments. Reconnect them in order: modem first, then the router, and finally your Apple TV. This clears the cache and resets the hardware handshake. Step 3. Network stability. For 4K HDR, a hardwired gigabit Ethernet connection is the single most effective fix to eliminate interference. If you must use Wi-Fi, ensure you are connected to the 5 GHz band. It offers the high-speed tunnel required for Ultra HD data packets. Next, optimize your DNS. In network settings, manually enter 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8.8 to reach Apple servers faster. Check your hardware. Streaming 4K protected content requires an ultra-high-speed HDMI cable and a port that supports HDCP 2.2. Enable match dynamic range and match frame rate. This allows the device to sync with the source material, reducing the heavy processing load. As a last resort, switch to 1080p SDR. This drastically reduces the bandwidth requirement while maintaining a stable, uninterrupted experience. If buffering continues, contact official Apple support at 83338-92054 for further technical diagnostic help with your device or account. That is it for this tutorial. Subscribe now to Sleek Guides for more fast-paced tech solutions that actually work. I will see you in the next one.